In an impressive technological leap, Honor has introduced the Magic V3, now the thinnest foldable smartphone on the market at just 9.2 millimeters. This new release surpasses its predecessor, the Magic V2, which was already noted for its slim 9.9 millimeters profile. The Magic V3 stands out significantly against competitors like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Pixel Fold, both measuring 12.1 millimeters. The Honor Magic V3 is equipped with a 7.92-inch inner display and a 6.43-inch outer display, both featuring 120 Hz OLED panels with high PWM refresh rates. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, with configurations offering up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The device boasts a robust camera setup, including a 50MP primary sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. For selfies, both the inner and outer displays have 20MP cameras. Despite its slim design, the Magic V3 doesn't compromise on battery life, offering a 5,150 mAh battery, an upgrade from the previous model's 5,000 mAh. It supports 66W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. The phone also features IPX8 water resistance and weighs 226 grams, slightly lighter than its predecessor. Honor's latest flagship is already available in China, retailing for approximately $1,400, though international pricing and availability remain uncertain. The Magic V3 is expected to debut internationally later this year, but is unlikely to be sold in the US market. Stay tuned for further updates on this groundbreaking device from Honor.